Listen to me. If you're watching this video, you're probably in the deepest mechanical keyboard rabbit hole that YouTube has to offer. But don't be afraid, I've got you. I can guide you out of that rabbit hole if you only follow this one simple trick. Let me take a guess. Your recommended page looks somewhat like this. You've been binge watching reviews of the latest and greatest custom boards and exotic switches until 4 AM, day after day, night after night. Suddenly, when you think that you finally found the right board for you, when both Reddit and your favorite keyboard celebrity have told you that you're getting the best switches and the best board, the best keycaps money can buy right now, and even though you've never touched any of the parts or see them in real life, you're ready to order all of them for hundreds of dollars, because why the hell wouldn't you want to? I mean, your favorite keytuber just told you that you're getting the best of the best, right? So naturally, you hop over to one of these boutique-like web shops, totally hyped to finally put in that order, but of course, by that time, everything is already sold out. Completely frustrated that you are prevented from consuming, you find yourself back at square one. After 1 or 2 weeks of living through this hell-like scenario, you finally had enough. You put in some orders for some random group buys, thinking that this will finally scratch your itch, that this will finally satisfy your desire for a custom mechanical keyboard. But of course, already the next day, you realize that you've made a big mistake. Your impatience is already starting to get to you. So instead of waiting some months for the group buy parts to arrive, you secretly order some pre-built keyboard from AliExpress with express shipping, of course. But you don't tell your friends about it. Not for now, at least. You're not proud of buying it, but at least you'll have something acceptable on your table in a week from now if everything goes okay. Stop consuming right now, because here's one simple trick that will cure your addiction once and for all. Just buy a fucking Topre board. That's it. You heard me right. Buy a fucking Topre board. It doesn't matter which one. You can go for a Leopold one. You can go for a NIS one. You can go for the HHKB. Just buy a Topre board and you will forget all of the mechanical keyboards once and for all. Your addiction will be blown out immediately. Let me explain why. First of all, you get the build quality, the sound and the feel of a $1,000 custom keyboard for a fraction of the price. Secondly, you'll have to sacrifice when it comes to customizability, availability of parts, but you get premium build quality made from professionals for professionals. Every keystroke is perfection. Once you type on this, you will never want to go back to your fucky mechanical keyboard. No matter how refined it is, you will always prefer the Topre over any mechanical keyboard. The sound out of the box is already perfection. The feel is perfection. And you may think, wait, what? How does that even work? What is Topre? Well, Topre uses, let's say, a combination of a rubber dome with a little mechanical mechanism beneath it, and combined, this just provides the best typing experience, the best gaming experience, the best coding experience you can get. So just buy a Topre board and you will forget about wanting to customize your mechanical keyboards, wanting to spend thousands of dollars. You will just get cured. It's like switching from a tuned Honda Civic to a Mercedes S-Class and you just forget about it. So try to stop getting excited about new products and trying to consume. Rather invest your free time in learning how to code. I talk about the hottest programming languages of 2022 in this video here. Check it out. But anyway, here's some B-roll of my Leopold FC660C. I chose this keyboard over all the others because I like this black design. It lacks some features like Bluetooth, but there are other ways to get the Bluetooth compatibility. For example, there is a Bluetooth upgrade daughter board PCB you can get from Taobao if you have access to that, or have a proxy that is willing to buy and ship it to you from China. But other than that, it's the perfect keyboard for me. There are a number of switches on the back that let you change the bindings of a few important keys, such as the caps lock key or the control key, and this is enough for me. I don't have to remap the whole keyboard with a remapping software. But if you want more customizability, you will have to upgrade this Leopold board with PCB that lets you program all of the keys, or just buy something like the HHKB, which lets you do more. But since I don't like the layout of the HHKB, I went with the Leopold. And I used to be into mechanical keyboards as well a couple years ago, before all of this Corona lockdown frenzy started, where all kinds of people were getting into the hobby. Right now, it's just, honestly, it's become completely insane, because the problem is, back in the days, the hobbyists and the whole mechanical keyboard community actually had to offer something that the big players couldn't offer at the time. Back then, you couldn't get a good mechanical keyboard from Logitech or Razer, so that's why the hobbyist community was actually producing keyboards that you couldn't get otherwise. But nowadays, the build quality, the shipping times, nothing can really keep up with the big players, and in my opinion, it's not worth it anymore chasing some exclusive parts for exclusivity's sake only. The custom keyboards, the various different switches are not worth it. Just buy a finished product that will serve you for a long time and grow up and stop consuming, and that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video, and even if you don't like it, please leave your opinion in the comments below, because I would like to know if I'm the only one who is kind of annoyed by dozens of keyboard videos in my YouTube shorts or in the recommended sections, even though I don't really consume this content. I don't really want to watch it, but for some reason YouTube thinks that anyone who likes to watch tech videos also is into mechanical keyboards nowadays. I guess they really think that this community is an easy target to advertise to and to sell garbage to, so maybe that's why YouTube recommends these videos all the time. But yeah, let me know your opinion. Please subscribe if you didn't do so. I'm a new channel. I am happy about every subscriber right now, so give this video a like or a dislike. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.